In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to Cook Zest channel. Today I'm going to share a restaurant-style Bhuna Gosht masala recipe with you, a recipe so amazing and outclassed that once you try it, you're going to fall in love with it. First, just look at how fantastic this turned out. This recipe is so incredible that even Karahi Gosht will start to feel plain in comparison. The masala is rich, thick, and absolutely delicious. The meat is cooked in a special way, making it soft, tender, and melt in your mouth. Look at this, perfectly cooked, beautifully pink, juicy pieces of mutton. Watch the video till the end, you're going to enjoy it so much. First, add 2 tablespoons of oil put in pressure cooker and add the mutton. I'm using half a kilo of mutton. Add it in. Then take 2 large onions, roughly chopped, add them. Take 2 large tomatoes, roughly chopped, add them too. Now add a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Add a half glass water, just enough to help the meat cook. Don't add too much, mix it well. I used around half a glass of water because mutton releases its own water. Cover the cooker and cook it on high flame until it gives 1 whistle. After the first whistle, note the time and cook it for 10-12 more minutes. The meat is now perfectly tender, around 95% cooked. We'll finish the rest while making the masala. Take a pan and add half a cup of oil. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry for 1 minute until the raw smell disappears. Now add 2 black cardamom, 1 2-inch cinnamon stick, 10-12 whole black peppercorns. Fry for 1-2 minutes on medium flame until they turn light golden. Now add the cooked mutton along with all its gravy. Turn the flame high and start frying it well. Keep on frying till remaining water gets dry. Now add 5 whole dried red chilies, half cup yogurt. Reduce the flame while adding yogurt and mix it well until fully combined. Once mixed, turn the flame high again and cook until the masala bhunifies and oil separates beautifully. Look at this, the masala is turning out rich, thick, and perfect. Now add 1 teaspoon crushed cumin, 1 teaspoon crushed garam masala, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek. Mix well. Cook everything together for 2-3 minutes. Now add fresh cream, whisked well before adding. Add a little chopped fresh coriander and green chilies. Mix everything one more time. Look at this gravy, so rich, thick, and amazing. Friends, do let us know from where you are watching our video, would love to know. Now let's dish out in Cook Zest style. Serve it hot with roti, naan, rice, or jeera rice. This recipe is absolutely mind-blowing. Every bite is full of flavor. I make this very often at home, and it's always requested at least once a week. Please try this recipe at your home and let me know how your family liked it. Just look at this masala, incredibly delicious. And the meat, soft, tender, perfectly cooked. Do subscribe our channel and share the recipe with others so they can also try it at home and make their families happy. I hope you loved this recipe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.